Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Step Across Walkaround. Now you might, if you have a bit of experience, think Step Across Walkaround, isn't that a teapot? And the answer is kind of yes, but this is kind of a more modern version which takes out some of the aspects of a teapot which don't always suit everybody. So obviously you need to know how to do a step across already, and that's about it. So I'll put a link in the description below in case you don't know that one. We'll get on and show you the move, and then we'll do a little comparison between the step across walkaround and the teapot later on. So it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now in a teapot you'd be here, you'd have come underneath, you'd have reached round for the far hip, the lady would be coming in and collecting the hand. This is a slightly awkward position because the guys have got to effectively kind of do that to make it work. You can play with the angles a little bit to try and fix it, but actually by coming back, putting the hand on the hip to hold the shape, you can actually make a much easier, more natural shape. The guys often don't have to be ducking, the ladies have a spare arm to style, and then all you've got to do is actually go through the arch as you're finishing off, which actually gives you a slightly nicer feel at the end as well. So let's break it down. Goes man's left, lady's right, semicircle and back. It looks like we're going into our step across, the hand is coming up, but before we get to the arch we pop the right hand in on the hip, we keep walking, we actually pull slightly left with the left hand, push slightly right with the right hand, so we're kind of putting a little bit of tension into the lady's frame, and we turn it into a walk around. Obviously how long you want to walk is up to you, and then to finish all you've got to do is keep the lady moving, take the hand over the head, pop through the arch and finish the step across off as you would normally. Try the two next to each other, see which you prefer. Let's think numbers. Go from over here. Back 1. Hand up, form the arch but don't use it. Pick up the hip. 2. We're going to walk for 2 more. 3 and 4. Going to go through the arch 5. Face 6. Return 7 and back 8. How long you want to do the walk around obviously is up to you. Let's try it. 5, 6. A step across walk around. We go a back, make your shape, walk, walk through the arch, look, return, and you're done. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you take it out onto the floor and make good use of it. Like, subscribe and hit the bell if you're getting value out of the videos, because we do appreciate everybody who does that. It helps promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.